Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to fix this. Is from a stove. This is our range, and if you noticed, it comes out really easy, and sometimes it fall off. The reason why for that is that there's a little thing here that actually comes on to that. See that really close? Let's see. Okay. I have to pan it out. And actually I pan it out here. Okay, so there's a little thing that fits into here. Okay. And sometimes if you look at it, it's pressed in too much. So all you have to do is take a screwdriver right here and insert it in the center. There's a cut right there. Insert it in the center so it's bigger. Okay? It's like it acts like a spring. See? Okay, so then you just insert this back. You use a plier or your hand, your finger, to press it back. And it is hard because I spread it a lot. Let's see, this side. Ooh, out of camera, sorry. Trying to make this video quick, simple, and easy. Okay, well, I'm gonna pause the video. I'll show you this one really quick, but this one's actually different, and then we'll do the other one. You see this? There's a little opening. This one's a little different, although it has that little thing inside here. It has an opening right there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a small screwdriver and spread it out a little bit. Just spread it out just a little bit, okay? Don't do it too much. Just spread it out just a little bit. This way, it goes like that. And when that does, when you insert this in, it's a lot harder. You see that? Now, it's a lot tighter. You see that? Now, let's go to the other location. Okay. So now you can see there's a little hole there. And there's a little cut. Okay? There's a little cut there. See it? It's like a round circle with a little cut on there. This is what you do. You get a plier and you just squeeze this in, because it has to sit in there to come back to it. Sometimes I use a hammer. You can use a hammer to pry it in that into, but usually something like this will work. You just have to start it and then you press it, to be honest. Let me see. Jeez. This one's harder than I thought. Okay. Let's try to press that back in. Let me put it on here. And then when I hit it, it's really hard when you press out a lot, because it's meant to hold on, you know. And then trying to press this in at the same time. Ooh, my lord. The other one's really easy to do. Just I think I did a little bit too much on this one. Let me press that back in a little bit, and the other one's the only one that's out is on the one side. Okay, this one, it's like this one is smaller, this one's larger. Okay, so that way it'll get stuck in there. I wonder if something that I can tap in, that would be nice, right? A flat surface and just tap it in, to be honest. Ow. There we go. So now I tapped it in. Okay? And use that to push it in just a little bit extra. Okay. How's that? Now we just have to put that back. Okay? And here's a cleaning tip before I go. Isopropyl alcohol. Yep. Use this to clean the glass. Okay? That's the last tip. Just put this on like a microfiber towel and just clean it. The glass on your stove. If you have glass stove. Or most of the people have it. And it will all look nice and clean. Let me show you. Okay, see that? Nice and clean. There's a little speck right here on the side right here. I hope you guys can see. And I'm sorry for the lighting here. It's not that good, but it's just a bonus footage. I'm just gonna clean it up, like right here. See all these oils? That's all you have to do. And you can clean all that up. Oop, I just lost that button there. Yep, just isopropyl alcohol and that's it. Okay? And look how nice that is. It'll dry on its own right here. Once it dries up, it looks really nice. See that? You can see it's drying right here. And look how nice this is. This part's still drying. Okay? Other than that, that's about it. I'll see you in the next video.